In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Wix site using a blank template. Creating a website from scratch using Wix gives you complete control over the design and functionality, and it's an exciting endeavor that we will embark on together. Let's get started by heading to your Wix Studio dashboard, which is also known as the Sites page. If you haven't already, the first thing you'll need to do is log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in the Studio workspace. This is where all the magic happens. Your first task here is to locate the option that allows you to create a new site. Now, when you're given the choice to start from a specific template, I recommend opting for the blank template or blank canvas option. This choice is crucial as it allows you to begin with no pre-existing content or design, granting you the freedom to make your site exactly as you envision it from the ground up. This is perfect for those who want full artistic control and aren't interested in someone else's template. After choosing a blank template, it's time to name your new site. This might seem like a small step, but naming your site is a significant part of building your brand identity. So take a moment to make it meaningful. Once you've decided on a name, you can confirm to proceed with the blank template option. Next, we'll need to set up the basic structure of your site. This involves manually adding the pages you'll need, such as Home, About, Contact, and any other specific pages relevant to your project. As you add these pages, consider how they'll be organized within your site menu or navigation. Effective navigation is key to ensuring your audience can easily find the information they're seeking, so be sure to link each page correctly. Now let's move on to designing the basics of your site. It's time to add global elements like headers and footers. Decide if these will be consistent across all pages, or if they'll change from page to page. Consistency can provide a familiar look and feel for your visitors. You'll also want to choose a cohesive site theme and style, encompassing fonts and colors, to ensure all your pages maintain a unified aesthetic. Finally, let's bring your site to life with content and design elements. Use the Add Elements panel to drag and drop various sections and design components you might need, like text, images, galleries, forms, and more. Utilize blank sections or strips to arrange your content in a way that aligns with your vision. This stage is where your ideas truly begin to take shape. You now have all the foundational steps to build an engaging and professional website in Wix, starting from a blank slate. Remember, this process is about creativity and showcasing your unique brand. So take the time to experiment and refine your site until it perfectly represents what you have in mind. I hope you found these instructions helpful, and I look forward to seeing the stunning website you create. Happy designing!